So what we're testing is the way that drones will interact with each other and also with manned aviation in order to provide for a safe and secure flight. And what we do now here is to do it also in a little bit challenging environment. So first of all, the drones will fly beyond visual line of sight, so outside of the vision of the pilot. So they will have to totally depend on their systems in order to make the right decisions. And also there will be an emergency provider that will also use a drone. And well, there will be some mitigation on who has the right of way, who is the priority. So that is what we are doing here, and I don't think this scenario has ever been done anywhere in the world.
So in UTM, so in manned traffic management or Airspace, not yet, no clear standard yet, but of course we are working on that, and today Vutura we are showing that two Airspace service providers can work together, and of course this helps getting these standards right.
We took the pragmatic approach. We use two world leaders in UTM services, and we use them at the same time. So we use them side by side in order to show what will happen if you use system A, what will happen if you use system B, will there be any differences. So it doesn't really matter yet, there's not standards. This is a way to do it, and that's what we're demonstrating.
Well, we've seen the Airspace, we've seen how Airspace can help to organize the airspace. We've been flying with 5 drones simultaneously, and through use of the Airspace we can do that efficiently. What we particularly have shown is that people can get priority. So in our case the firefighters got priority over package deliveries, which is a very important aspect.
We assisted the operators that are flying today with their safety assessment. So they needed to get a permission from the Dutch Aviation Authority to fly. So we did the safety assessment for this, and that's how they are now allowed to fly here today.
And for us, as Space 53, it's very important that we do it here because we want to accelerate these kind of developments, because we believe that there could be a base for new Dutch entrepreneurs to start technology companies within the drone industry or service providers within the drone industry. And then you also, of course, need to have a solution for what happens with the traffic management.
Everyone was capable of carrying out their flights in an efficient manner, and everything was coordinated through the Airspace.
We have safe, secure areas here. Of course, the main working ground for drones will be highly populated areas, but you don't want to do any risky experimental demonstrations in, for instance, the vicinity of Amsterdam or Schiphol Airport.
But here in Enschede we've shown that the 5 drones were flying together. They were flying in a city, in an urban environment, in a smart city. They were flying beyond visual line of sight. And we were capable of showing how priorities works. So I think a lot of things came together here, and we're very happy that it all was running smoothly. What we're going to do is we're going to publish these results towards the European Commission. They are in favor of the open market, so we will explain them what the difficulties were that we encountered, what the technical issues were that we encountered, and also what the possibilities were that we encountered, and we will propose to them some steps for the future.